If your strap ever comes apart, you're going to have 3 rings, 3 D-rings, and a slider. Take the blunt end of your strap, put your 3 D-rings on first, with the hump pointing up on every one. Then you take your slider, go in through the bottom, out through the top, let it stick out about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, pull it down. Now you're going to take the pointed end of your strap and you're going to come up through the top of your slider hole. That gives your rings. Everybody's in there tight. Coming back out the other way.